The T24 file type is not TurboTax. This is the file extension used by H&R Block's 2024 tax software. If you try to open this in TurboTax, it will fail. You need the H&R Block software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's get the right tool. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust T24 file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. When discussing data structures, the T24 format is always placed within the data file classification. The TurboTax Canada 2024 return wrapper contains all associated data. Contains 2024 Canadian tax data, including T4 slips, RRSP contributions, and provincial credits, formatted for compatibility with CRA NetFile services. CRA compliance schema. The internal structure mirrors the Canada Revenue Agency's electronic filing specifications for 2024. It enforces provincial-specific logic, e.g. Quebec relevés versus Ontario forms. The specific reading module for T24 files is provided by TurboTax Canada 2024 from Intuit, Inc. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the T24 file and choose Open With. Prioritize TurboTax Canada 2024 if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file link. If you still cannot open your T24 file, that is okay. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this T24 format is causing you grief. First, install the correct software year. Canadian tax files use the T24 format, where XX is the year. You must use the 2024 version of TurboTax Canada to open this file. Next, update the program. CRA tax rules are updated frequently. Ensure the software is patched to the latest version to avoid calculation errors. Finally, use PDF backup. If the T24 file cannot be opened, look for a PDF copy of the T1 general form saved on your computer. When compatibility tests fail, this is final confirmation that another utility is required. The right move is to proceed with a specialized opener built for complex T24 files. The fastest solution is FileMagic. It's the ultimate universal file viewer for the T24 format, available immediately at filemagic.com. Files like this can be a learning curve, but you nailed it. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.